How to save a Word document as a PDF. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open MS Word document. Now, after that, simply click on File at the top left corner. You will see that option in your Home tab. Simply click on it and now from this you need to click on Save As. As you do, a window will appear on your screen. If you want to change your name of the file, simply rename it. Then after Save As type, go to that and choose PDF. After that, click on Save. And as you can see, now your Word document has been saved as a PDF. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to save your Word document as a PDF. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.